It's gone. It's so fast, they have to like roll into it. What the fuck? Oh my god. That was a sick ass cruise, like insane. Bro, that Supra's crazy. The 1600 horsepower one, right? I know. Oh my god, look what's parked here in the freaking parking lot.
Bro, this shit is insane.
This dude just dailying it to go get some food. Took it to Target? Bro, I'll take my SVJ everywhere, bro. I'll take it to the Taco Bell drive-thru. Oh my god. I know the Ferrari's hard too, but
55, 30, 20 others.
I'll take the SVJ. 2JZ? What are you about to do, Gustavo? Can I record it? Oh, is that water? Gustavo has to fill up his car with some special juice to make it fast. Oh, I'm so full. We just got food. Now I don't know what we're about to do, but we'll see. Supposedly, the homie Tony messed up his transmission, he thinks. Hopefully not, because he has to drive back to Fresno tonight too, so hopefully not. Is where he puts gas in or what? I'm telling you, it leaves. Oh, back up. Oh. Extremely. Bro, what? I know what if that shit catches fire when you're driving. Imagine. Extremely flammable, bro. It's a bomb. Woo, that shit's hard. Bro, I think he owns both of them. That's insane. Big baller right there.
About to be like that one.
I think his Instagram's called like TJ Millionaire Billionaire, bro.
we run into?
Oh my god, bro, look who's vlogging.
Vlogging? What?
The homie Manny's vlogging, dude.
I know, it's funny. I look like you?
People are gonna really think you're me now.
Everywhere, it's FindingNick. That's just
the same exact spec, bro. Same year and everything. Another one. That color is crazy.
That one was worth waiting for. That's
Woo. I thought it was black, but in the sun it like turns green. That's crazy. We got a lot more cars with us now. We got the homie Manny, he pulled up. We got more GTRs with us, like 2 more GTRs. Everybody hit Angeles Crest Highway. It's like a canyon run. I haven't been here in a very long time, but it should be pretty cool. Hopefully we don't run into any cops. I heard there's oh my god. I heard there's a lot of cops up here today, so hopefully we don't get pulled over. I hope I don't get pulled over. The Lambo looks so crazy behind me. It's sick. Me and Gustavo are on like pretty much slicks, like drag radials. So this is kind of sketch. E36 M3. Woo! She was clean. God, the flames are insane. There's a lot of freaking cars. I did not realize how many of us there were. Look at all these GTRs.
That shit is dead.
Bro, there's so many cars up here today. Like non-stop cars up and down. My twin GTR. You guys remember this one? It's the homie Arion. He literally has my exact twin. Same year, same model, black edition, same interior, same everything. And then we got this one. This one's hard. Woo. This color is so dope. And that trunk, oh my God. I need it. Should I do this trunk, guys? I've been really thinking about it. I want to do a carbon trunk and a carbon hood. I think on the black will look really sick. Damn, dude, look at this. E36. I believe it's an M3 too. 4-door though. Pretty sick. Woo. That shit is clean and white. Manny.
Can you move out the way so I can get a thumbnail?
What, Manny?
Can you move out the way so I can get a thumbnail, please?
Look at this dude talking like a YouTuber right now. Are you really vlogging or what?
I swear, look.
Bro, are you gonna post this?
Bro, I have so much footage. That's
Bro,
all this.
Are you gonna post it too?
Bro, it's all this footage plus the footage he's filming.
Everyone's vlogging. Guys, after my video, go watch Manny's video and go watch Hugo's video. They're gonna be both in the description.
He says, my point of view, your point of view, Manny's point of view.
You guys better post it because I'm putting your links down below.
That's what I am. Bro, we have my point of view plus this point of view.
Those headlights look whack, dude.
Fuck
Who did these?
you. Bro, this is how I wanted it since I was like...
I'm kidding, that shit's look hard. Manny got some new headlights. Brand new headlights. That shit's hard. I like the rings, bro. Honestly, those rings look way better than mine, I think.
Than the other ones, right?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, then yours or the other one?
Mine. It's scary in the GTR. I feel like it has a lot of power. And like I said, it's on drag radials. Not the best tire for a Canyon. But we doing it. It's gripping. Who's gonna win, Manny or the Nismo? I don't know. I legit don't know who's gonna win. And into another Hellcat. Let's see if he wants to run it. Gustavo's car puts in work, I swear. There's no way. Gustavo's gonna be hella happy, look. I knew it. Gustavo's got trying to race everybody. Oh shit. Nah, Kick's got him. Trying to put his hazard on early. Bro, Kick's gonna get him, I think. Yeah, Nismo got it. My God, guys, look at this thing. That shit is perfect. I want one so bad. And we can do the whole build on the channel. It'll be something different, like a lifted truck, completely different.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga.